Good morning, student. Today we are going to take one new topic, trial balance. First, we are going to know about that. What is the meaning of trial balance? Okay, beta. What is the meaning of trial balance? Trial balance is the statement which we are going to make for the knowing of arithmetical fault in your accounts. Okay, beta. For arithmetical fault in your account. Actually, mainly we are going to make the trial balance for the knowing the arithmetical or totaling or posting type of finding the these type of errors or any type of fault. For that we are going to make one statement that name is trial balance. That is like a trial balance. By that we are just getting the one trial. By that we are just seeing that trial in which we are going to see that balance are coming or not, or both side is coming or equal or not. Okay, this trial balance we are going to make by the taking the help of balance, taking the help of balance of all accounts, balance of all account. In this trial balance we are going to show all account, and then we are going to show the balance of all account, some on debit side and some on credit side, by the following of some general rules. Okay, beta, by the following of some rules, as like we are going to show the all account in one column and then two column for the amount, one for the debit and second for the credit. Okay, beta, and then we are going to show the write the all name of accounts and then taking his balance, debit or credit, on the behalf of some certain rules. Mainly this trial balance is like a list of, if you are talking about the features, trial balance is the list of the all account. Trial balance is the list of the all account because we have entered all account balances here. Trial balance is like a summary of all account because we are just showing the all account balance. Trial balance is the like a system by which we knowing the balancing figure of the all accounts. Okay, beta, if we are going for the need of trial balance, mainly we are going to make that trial balance for the knowing of arithmetical or mathematical fault in your accounting, beta. Okay, in that accounting we are going to see if any type of fault is there, if any type of posting problem is there, if any type of correction problem is there, wrong amount entered is there, that all type of problem we are easily facing, we are easily finding by the making of trial balance. Okay, beta, by the making of trial balance. So before the going to start the making of trial balance, what type of error we are going to finding by the trial balance, we are going to discuss on that. Okay, beta, we are going to discuss on that. Actually two type of errors there, error which is affecting the trial balance and error which is not affecting the trial balance. Okay, beta, errors which is affecting the trial balance and error which is not affecting the trial balance. Okay, beta. So first, error which is affecting the trial balance. Some errors like that, beta, which is affecting the trial balance. If you are going to make the trial balance, then you are easily find out that these type of error because this error are affecting the trial balance. Okay, these error are affecting the trial balance, so you are easily find out that these are errors by the making of trial balance. In this errors, mainly error of posting on wrong side, error of taking wrong amount, error of not posting of wrong side, error of double posting on wrong side, error of double posting on right side but double posting. Okay, beta, or debited to credited or credited to debited. These type of errors easily find by the trial balance, beta. So these type of errors just ask error which is finding by the or error which is going to affect to the trial balance. Next, error which is not affecting to trial balance, it means that error which we are not finding by the making of trial balance, that is called errors which is not affecting the trial balance. Okay, clear? In this error, mainly first is Error of omission. If you are not going to enter any transactions, as like that, if transaction done in your business but you are not going to do the journal entry, then you are not going to run or do or write the journal entry, then that entry are not coming in the accounting, then that effect is not coming. You are going to make the trial balance, but that type of fault is not finding by the trial balance because you are not going to enter that entry. So that effect we cannot source or that problem or that error we cannot find by the making of trial balance. Okay beta. Next, error of omission. In this error of omission, when we are going to write the wrong amount, as like that, the amount is 540 but we are written 450. Okay beta. Amount is 769, we are written 967. Okay. The amount is 520 but we are written 250. Okay. This type of fault is called error of omission. Okay, or error of commission. It means we are going to enter wrong amount because this type of amount is matching amount, so we are going to enter wrong amount. So this type of fault we cannot find by the trial balance. Okay beta, this type of fault we cannot finding by the trial balance. Clear? Next, compensative errors. Compensative errors beta, I think you will know about the meaning of compensative. It means just one error is going to compensate the other error. One error is going to compensate the other errors. Okay, so that type of error we are not going to find by the trial balance. As like that, if one account in debtors, one account of 500 we have not entered, but wrongly one more amount that we didn't have to enter in this account but we are entered, so then this 500 is compensate of this 500. Okay beta, this 500 will compensate of the this 500. By that this type of fault we cannot finding by the trial balance beta. Okay, this type of fault we cannot finding by the trial balance. As like that, here is Ram, here is Raj. Okay, on the place of Ram we are going to enter the Raj, but total of the debtors, it's okay, no problem about the total of the debtors, because on the place of this 500 that are Ram we are going to enter the Raj 500 amount. The total of the debtor is same, no problem in no change in the total debtors. So that type of error is called error of compensating. Okay, in this system one error is going to compensate the second errors. Okay beta, both are the errors but they are going to compensate to each others. Then okay, then next, error of principle. If the person who is going to do the journal entry are posting, if they didn't know about the principles of journal entry, double entry system, then what type of fault they are doing, that is not easy to finding. That is not easy to finding. Okay beta, what type of date, if the transaction is like that, you have to debit the some amount but you are going to just do the credit of that amount. As like that, you are receiving, you have purchased one machinery and on the time of purchase of that machinery you are going to expend some amount. Okay, so that amount will add in the cost of that machinery, but if they didn't know about the principles, then they are treating that amount as like a expense. Okay, that is the wrong, and that is the problem of principle. Okay beta, the principle of accounts. Okay beta, on the basis of that, by this making of trial balance we are going to finding out that errors. Clear beta? Two type of errors. Clear? One, errors which easily finding by the trial balance are affecting by the trial balance, and error which is not affecting to the trial balance. The main meaning is what? That error which we are easily going to finding by the trial balance that are affecting, and error which we are not going to finding by the trial balance, that type of errors is not affecting the trial balance. Okay beta, now we are going to know or see how we are going to make the trial balance. Okay, beta. How we are going to make the trial balance? Just see. Two column from amount, debit and credit, name of account. Okay, beta. Name of account. This is the pro forma. Okay. Mainly we are using three method. Three method, beta. Three method we are using for the making of trial balance. Okay. But mainly we are only using this one method, that is balancing method. Three method. First is totaling method. Total method. First is total method. Second is balancing method. And third is total and balancing method. Okay, beta. For first and second same pro forma we are using. Same pro forma we are using. First we are going for the total method. Okay, beta. First I am going for the total method. In the total method, we are going to present all the account name here only. Okay, beta. All the account name here and his debit total on debit side and his credit total on credit side. It means in this method we are not going to take the balance of the all ledger account. Okay, beta. We are not going to take the balance of all ledger accounts. As like that, if capital account, if cash account is here, so his debit balance, just think, suppose 50,000 here and 52,000 that side, so we are presenting like that. Okay, beta? Clear? Debit total debit side, credit total credit side. If purchase is there, then 4 lakh is here, credit purchase is not there, no beta? If expense is there, the expense balance is debit, beta. So we are showing on debit side. Means we are going to take the ledger account. In that ledger account, if their total of debit and debit side and total of credit, we are going to present on credit side. This is way, and then in last we are going to totaling, and both side will come equal, beta. Both side will come. This is the way by which we are going to make the trial balance by the total method. Okay, beta? By the total method. Okay? Then go for the second, balancing method. In the balancing method, we are going to follow some rule, and on the basis of rule, we are going to present like that. If the capital, cash, purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return, carriage, rent paid, discount, discount allowed, discount received. As like that, we are going to present all the name of account, beta. Okay? All the accounts name, and then we are going to follow one rule. All debit head. In this debit, we are going to use all purchase, purchase, sales return, assets, all type of assets, beta. Expense and drawing. These all balance always debit. These all balance always, beta, debit. Okay, beta? And credit, capital, sales, purchase return, liability, income. These all balance will credit. Okay, beta? Purchase, sales return, assets, all expense, drawing, balance always debit, capital, sales, purchase return, and liabilities and income balance will credit. Okay beta? Okay. By the following of these rule, we are going to do the debit and credit of this account. As like a capital, we are going to present on credit side. Cash, debit side. Purchase, debit side. Sales, credit side. Return, purchase, return is what? Credit side. Sales, return, debit side. Carriage expense, debit side. Paid expense, debit side. Allowed, debit side. Received, credit side. Okay beta? On the basis of this we are going to present, because capital is what? Capital or liability, credit. Cash is asset, so debit side. Purchase, debit. Sales, credit. Purchase, return, credit. Sales, return, debit. Okay. Then carriage expense, debit. Rent paid expense, debit. Discount allowed like expense, debit. Receive income, debit, credit. Okay beta? And then totaling of this, both are coming equal, so your trial balance is okay and your all accounting is okay. No any fault is there. Okay? Which fault? That will affect the trial balance. Okay? And then last, third, in this system we are going to matching, we are going to using both system in one time. Okay? Then we are going to make the 4 column for amount. 4 column beta. Okay? Debit and credit. Balance here and then total here and here. Okay beta? On the basis of that we are going to make two. Both system we are going to follow in one time. Okay beta? Both system we are going to follow in one time. Okay? Clear? On the basis of that you can solve the questions. And one more topic is there, that is suspense account. If after the making of trial balance, then we are going to search the fault. If no any fault is there, all the thing is correct, and after that your total or balance or total of trial balance is not coming equal, then that difference amount we are entered in the suspense account. Okay beta? The difference amount we are going to enter in the suspense account, and then next year we are going to find out the errors. Okay beta? We are going to find out the errors and try to finish that balance of that suspense account. Okay? Clear? If the both side balance is not coming equal and then you are finding the all things, then after you have not got the any problem or any correction, then we are going to take the difference amount in suspense account, and that suspense we are going to clear on next year, because in next year we are going to find out the errors of the accounts. Okay? Now it's clear, I think. Trial balance is clear, errors is clear. Okay? Okay. Thank you.